This channel's been dead for who knows how long, and it's time to actually attempt to do something. So, you know what? We're going to go with something short and sweet and easy. We're going to show you how to do an actual push-up.
Get that out of your mouth, boy.
First of all, your body is supposed to be like a plank. Straight in all angles. From there, most people will go down into a shoulder push-up, which is sideways. The correct way, though, is to move your elbows back in a 90-degree angle, working out your triceps and your biceps while keeping your head up and looking forward to actively engage your chest. Then you push back up. That is considered 1 rep unless you are doing 4-count push-ups, in which you have to do 1, 2. So, something short and sweet, especially for you who are wondering why doing 100 push-ups a night is not actually helping you build muscle. You're not actively engaging the correct muscles, so you won't see any results. So, get ready for the next episode of how to actually work out. Yes, it's corny. Leave me alone.